Fish is a fun hobby, and today we're going to talk about how to maintain your freshwater aquarium. My name is Michael, and we're going to talk about that. First off, what we're going to do is on a daily basis, you're going to look at your fish. You're going to inspect them, make sure that they're swimming okay and they're not having any problems. We're going to look at them and make sure that they don't have any little spots all over them. If they have little tiny white spots on them, that's ick, and we're going to need to address that and take care of it. I have here it's called a mag float, and it's actually for cleaning algae off of the tank. I personally like using this because during the month, if I do develop a little bit of algae, I can come and I can just clean it off. And a lot of times I'll take this and I'll just park it off to the side. And if it comes undone, it easily floats up to the top and you can connect it again. Fish, we're going to feed our fish every day. And you can feed them a couple times a day as long as you make sure that you're not overfeeding them. And when we do feed them, we're going to give them a little bit of flake food or pelleted, whichever is required for that particular fish. And we're going to watch them, and we want to see how much food they're going to eat. And if in a 3-minute period, if I have a lot of food that's going down to the bottom, I need to keep an eye on that because too much food down at the bottom can jeopardize the water quality. Another thing that we need to do with our tank is we need to do monthly maintenance on this tank. And we want to take out 25% of the water, and you're going to do that with a gravel siphon so we can pull all the debris out of the bottom. And we will then treat our water and put it back in the tank. The filter itself needs to be cleaned. The cartridge that's in the back, this needs to be replaced monthly. The carbon in it is really only good for about 30 days. We're talking today about how to maintain your freshwater aquarium. My name is Michael, and we've learned how to do that.